Hi, I'm Terry Smith, owner of FASTSIGNS in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Also have a location up in Cookeville, Tennessee. So we started back in 2009 with the Mimaki JB33. It is a great printer that we had, and through the years we've escalated up. We've tried other products, but always kept coming back to Mimaki. So we have 2 flatbeds now. We got one that we liked so much that we bought a second one to have some redundancy. And now we have 2 roll-to-rolls over here that are also Mimaki. They one does print cut with white. The other one is just pretty much a basic printer that we use for overflow and for banners and smaller items. So one of the things that we love about Mimaki is that they're just great machines. They're workhorses. You never have to worry about them. And if you do need service, we have PDS close by, and they are so great to work with. Their service is outstanding. If we ever need anything, they're just a phone call away. We've had other companies that we've worked with and haven't been as lucky with them. So I always go back to what works best and where I get our support from. The one thing I would just say to anybody new coming into this industry is keep going, find your niche, and then also build where you can and build the machines into your business. So when it makes sense, go ahead and upgrade to that flatbed. When it makes sense, add a second flatbed, second roll-to-roll. Don't be afraid, because if you go out there and get the business, it'll come to you.